Ever wonder how clean your floors really are?
You've tried the old school broom, the not so handy mop, maybe even a robot vacuum that promises a lot but delivers too little. Introducing Narwal, the world's first self-cleaning robot vacuum and mop with the most advanced navigation. First off, Narwal takes care of vacuuming up pretty much anything off your floors. But the magic actually starts with the mopping. Other robot cleaners that claim to mop only sweep the floor. Narwal has reinvented the mop. It has rounded triangular mops that press down on the floor and rotate to really clean away those stubborn stains. Narwal mops clean 3 times as efficiently versus other robot cleaners. Other robot cleaners clean the floor, and then you have to clean them. Defeats the purpose, if you ask me. Narwal is totally self-cleaning. It automatically returns to the base station to clean, wash, and dry itself multiple times during mopping. And when the mopping is done, Narwal keeps the mop dry and clean with its ventilation system. Most robot cleaners require remapping every time you use them, but Narwal's home layout map can be used repeatedly once created. The map is created with the help of LiDAR technology. You know, what they use in driverless cars. Narwal also avoids secondary contamination by making sure it doesn't pass over the spaces it's already mopped. You can even customize its cleaning strategy for different rooms and floors, like choosing which rooms to clean, in which order, how many times to clean, the type of floor, and it creates cleaning reports for you after it's done cleaning. Narwal is also ultra quiet. You'll almost forget it's there. With its awesome sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping tech, Narwal will make you wish you'd found it sooner. Narwal is built by a dedicated team of engineers and visionaries.
I got the idea to build Narwal when I saw my mom struggling with mopping housework every day. So I decided to build a robot to help her and everyone in the world. We hope you can support us.